And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a vignette in Premiere Pro. Let's just put this video footage in our timeline. You will find that via the description link. Then go to color. In your top menu, make sure you have Lumetri color shown on the right side. In this case, click on vignette and there you can create a simple vignette. Turn down the feathering to 0 so that you can see what you're doing, and then play around with the amount, the midpoint, the roundness. I want to keep it at 0 in this case. And then bring the feathering back up. That looks fine. And if we now play our video footage, we've got our basic vignette applied. It's quite simple. Sometimes you have footage in which you want to create a custom vignette. The best way to do that is to simply create a new item. And then new black video. Click on OK. Put the black video on top of your video footage. Adjust the size. Let me keep it like this. Then click on it, go to your effects controls panel, and there you'll find the button opacity. You can click on the little ellipse tool. Let me make that visible for you. There you can see it. This is the ellipse that we have just created with the opacity tool. And you can adjust it now. Oh, let me delete that one. We don't need it. Click on the mask and now you can adjust it with your mouse and create a custom shape. I still want to have that typical vignette, but you can really go crazy here. You can even use the path tool to create a weird shape that you want to have. When you are done, click on inverted, and then you should play around with the mask feathering. You can do so with the scale or by dragging this little point in that little panel here where the video footage is shown. And this is the second way to create a vignette. There you can see the transition. This is without a vignette, this is with our custom vignette, and here is the Lumetri color vignette. So this is an easy way to create such a vignette that is popular today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.